What's for dinner?
Pasta with nettles, seaweed, prawns, and I'm kind of making it up as I go along. Fresh peas. Oh yeah, we're gonna put the stinging nettles in. It's still like a work in progress.
It's all good. We'll see what happens. Oh, that's so tasty. What are you gonna put it in?
That's gonna be in the pasta. So just like you just toss it fresh in the pasta. Money, salty.
These ones?
Sea lettuce, yes. This oregano is some of the most like strong oregano because it's out in the sun all day, so it's like very Mediterranean environment anyway on the island. So I'm gonna leave the flowers because the bees love them and just collect some leaves. So this is stinging nettles and it's to be sauteed with the pasta. So I'm wearing gloves because otherwise it will sting me.
I always thought stinging nettles were poisonous.
Really?
I don't know why. It's just a name.
No.
Yeah.
It's just when you touch them that they have like an acid that's on them. And that will just make it uncomfortable. But if you boil it, it makes it, it neutralizes the sting. As long as they don't have little flowers on them and they're under a foot tall, then you can harvest them.
What do you like to make with them?
I like to make pasta, like actually make the pasta with them, and then I also like to just saute them into things because they're like a spinach.
Cool. What does salad taste like?
It tastes more mild and sour.
Okay.
Right here. Yeah, that's what you do. Okay. Everything is going to go in this water. Sweet. Yep. This is cool because it turns green when it starts boiling. You can see some of it starting to go green like that.
Nice. Is this your salted pasta water?
That's going to be the pasta water, yep. Try it.
Oh yeah.
Makes everything better. See, the worst thing about mosquitoes is that if you see them on you and you smack them, I find it's like makes you itchier than if you just ignore them.
Right.
All right, this snack is done. I will plate just for photos, one of them. Oh, look at that head down. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah. Because I thought those just started dying off. I mean, like, different, whatever, systems. Don't want you to miss it, is it?
There. How do you know when they're ready? And no longer
They don't
stinging
sting anymore.
Yeah.
2 minutes. And then usually I shock them into ice bath.
Is that the stinging nettles for the pasta?
That is, yeah.
It smells amazing.
That's it, great. Guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wait, I don't want to be a part of this.
Wait a minute.
Cheers.
Thank you. Best host ever.
Aww.